Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
I'll just show you a little bit of soy sampan early in the morning, around about 11 o'clock now. That was a delicious breakfast. Sports bar and restaurant, I'm going to have to talk over that music. Never mind, Owen. Could always cut it out. Massage lady. Oh, it's a hairdresser's. Nail shop. This guy on the right was here yesterday. He must have had about 30 Leos who were dancing. He's only had 20 so far. He was absolutely hammered. I came out in the morning and he was drinking, and I came back at night and he was drinking. He was absolutely hammered. Fair play to him. There was a restaurant last night where I had my steak. The Good Corner it's called, next to Nutty Park. It was absolutely delicious. I know I keep going on about it, it was absolutely fantastic. What a beautiful steak. Pork, absolutely crispy. Oh my word. Sabadi Carp. Oh, Sabadi Mai. Suena. You make pork. Yeah, very good. Di Mac now? Okay. Good. Kapom. Fair play, turning his hand, trying to make a few quid. I just walked through this gap here, daydreaming, and that barbecue, the heat in that middle of that gap is absolutely, in fact, singed the hair on my arms. Bloody hell, fire that was roasting. It startled me, to be honest. Somebody can't. It startled me. What a pleasure to have an overcast sky and a little bit of a breeze. So refreshing. I'm heading down this way. I'm almost certain I'm heading in the right direction and cross, from what I can remember, cross a railway line, and there's like a bit of a like an archway on the left, and then I can remember walking further down that road. It's like a big market area, so I'll explore that for a while, and then from there I don't know what to do. And definitely today I will go to the lake. I was going to go to Nong Khai today, but this morning I was laid in bed and I thought, nah, it's a bit of a long journey there, spend an hour or two there and a long journey back. I've been before, so perhaps a bit of a wasted day. I was going to stay overnight, but again, you can't make plans here, things change. Yeah. Nice day. Look at the size of this snail here, just on the pavement. It's alive. It's popped its head out a bit. And this one here, look. Yeah, look, it's popping its head out here. So I think this is the place. I've got my bearings then. This guy's doing a bit of tidying up and painting. Got these steps. McDonald's. Yeah, this is the place with the horses. So I'll head straight down this road. Udon Town. Nice little display there. Saudi Krab. So I think this is the main road through Udon, but what do I know? Saudi Krab. Sabadi mai?
สบายดีครับอยู่สบายดีไหม
Sabadi.
ครับ
คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมครับ
นิดหน่อยค
นิ
รับ
ดน้อย
ครับ
Hello, what is your name?
ชลิน
อะไรนะ
ชลิน
Shalin. My
My
name
name
is
is-
Owen.
โอเว่น
Chai.
Okay.
I come from England.
อิงแลนด์
Yes.
โอเค
Manchester.
โอ้แมนเชสเตอร์
Yeah.
โอเค
Manchester City. Way. You like football, mate? Football?
Yeah, I like
Which team?
this team Man City
Man City?
Yeah.
Same, Sifa.
yeah
Same, yeah. Now, champions in
Yeah,
England,
yeah,
number
yeah.
1.
Champion win
Yeah, good.
Champion
Yeah.
Man City
You ทำงานที่นี่ครับ
ครับผม
อ๋อชอบไหม
ชอบครับ
Okay,
ชอบ
okay.
ชอบครับ
Ah,
โอเค
okay.
enjoy
Enjoy, good
Yeah,
outside,
yeah,
sunshine.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
welcome
Okay, โชคดีครับ ครับผม Cross over this bridge and get on that side. Friendly guy. You can talk about football anywhere in the world. English football. I know it's a bit repetitive in a lot of my videos, but got to talk about stuff that they know. So I'll have a look at a little bit of the traffic. The main road through Udon. Bus there, no windows in it. Oh, tuk tuk. So the single line railway track. The station's just down there on the left. There's the Chinese arch I was talking about. It's not as busy, there's not as many stalls for some reason. Is it too early? All them drinks, don't know what they are. Selling a little bit of fruit. Hello.
ฮัลโหล
มะม่วงนะ
มะม่วงอร่อย
หวานไหม
อร่อยแซ่บมากหวาน
โอ้
อันนี้โลละ15
อันนี้อะไรครับ
อันนี้ลิ้นจี่อร่อย
ลิ้น
มา
จี่
กค่ะ
ชิมครับ
ชิมค่ะ
You can
ให้ป้อนให้ไหมให้ป้อนให้ไหมชิมครับ
ชิม ขอบคุณมากครับ Ooh, oh! I dropped it down there. I can get, it's okay.
นี่นี่นี่
Sorry. ขอโทษครับ Thank you.
อร่อย
Wow, man. Kilo how much? 20? I
โอเคยัง
Yeah, I know how to carry. Okay, thank you very much. Wow! She peeled one for me and I slipped out of my hand and went down between the mangoes. Look at this wagon here, made out of wood. Cap on. Yeah. ชื่ออะไรครับ ชื่ออะไรครับ ชื่อ
Hello bicycle
สวัสดีครับ So they got to unload everything off there. Well, maybe not everything here, but that's like a delivery service. So all these little things are called katip. Your sticky rice inside. Sawadee krab. Katip na. Yeah. Gibat krab. 250 okay. But two katip. For county Yeah, so you put it inside here, put your sticky rice.
แต่ว่าอัน นี้เป็นไม้ไผ่ค่ะ
ฮะ
อันนี้จะเป็นไม้ข่าเขาจะเรียกไม้
โอเค
ข่า
เข้าใจครับ อันนี้เล็กนะ
อันนี้จะเป็นเล็กแบบละเอียดค่ะ
ข้าวเหนียวเส้นเรื่องกันนะ
ค่ะเหมือนกันค่ะอันนี้จะเป็นเล็กค่ะ
for เด็ก
ค่ะ
for children นะ
ค่ะ
โอ
ติด
เค
ข้าวเหนียวเหมือนกันค่ะ
Okay,ครับผม thank you. Yeah, so basically them little ones are for the kiddies when they go to school and that. Oh, what that is, maybe a pump or something like that. Up. Oh, wow. What, anyอะไรfor it's like a big pump, maybe to clean it out. Deep down there. Right, I'm going to head back down this side of the road, back to Udon town. It's getting a bit warm again now. I'm going to find a nice little coffee shop, sit down and relax. Going to get across here before anybody moves.
Rusty chicken.
นั่นแหละเอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you won't make me
กริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ